A question I often get asked is, what are the best content types for my content marketing strategy? And this is something that's quite difficult to answer because it really does involve a lot about understanding who you are as a business and all about your customers as well and your audience. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to identify the best content types for your content marketing success. So the first thing you want to do is know everything about your audience, know what they watch, what they listen to, what types of content they consume, where they hang out, and also about the people and the accounts that they follow on social media. So once you know that, you'll have a much better idea of exactly who your ideal audience member is and what types of content they're already engaging with. And you can also do this by checking your competitors and see what content they post online that gets the most engagement. Now, once you kind of get an idea of that, take a look at these different types of content that you can use within content marketing. And I can tell you straight away that there are some of these that have become a lot more popular over the past few years. For example, videos and podcasts being great ways to engage people and keep them listening and also returning for more as well. So about retention, that has been great. But also, the one thing you need to do as well is consider what your goals are as a business. If you want to get leads, for instance, it might be worthwhile putting more effort into creating white papers, reports, case studies, and client profiles, because that will help drive more credibility to your business. And if your goal, for example, is just to get more awareness, then utilize things like videos and social media posts and infographics, blog posts, things that you can share on social media, considering that you're using the right hashtags, of course. And then that way you can build up more awareness. So understand your business goals, what you want to achieve with your content marketing strategy, and that will be a great way for you to then be able to know exactly what types of content you should be releasing. But to answer the kind of question that I get, generally I can tell you that videos are fantastic at getting more engagement. Also, creating things like infographics that you share on social media are great ways to get engagement as well. If we're talking about the SEO value of all of this, creating great content on your own websites in the form of blog posts and articles can be great to get links as well. And you can of course incorporate various things in blog posts. You can embed videos, you can add infographics to them as well, embed even podcast episodes, all of these sorts of things. So this has been a very short video, but I hope you kind of understand the methodology of creating content and the content types for your content marketing strategy. It has to be about knowing your audience, it has to be about knowing your business goals, and then putting two and two together to come up with some great content that your audience will resonate with and engage with and will hopefully help you achieve your business goals. I'm happy also to answer any questions in the comment section below. If you tell me, for example, what your goals are and what you're trying to achieve, I can help guide your content marketing strategy. So leave a comment down below if you want some more kind of tailored advice to your business. But thank you for watching this short video. I've been Itamar Blauer. If you enjoyed it, leave a like rating. That would really help me out. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the two video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.